What is up, gang, and all of you beautiful, amazing people who's watching this video today? And yes, it is true, the title and the thumbnail. But kind of, I'm on my way up. Well, I'm finna go up there right now to pay the ticket. I did get pulled over. I didn't even film it, I don't think. I'm gonna go pay the ticket right now, and they said I'm gonna have to take a class, or if I don't take the class and I just pay the ticket, it's gonna be suspended for a month. And you know, your boy can't just be without his license or cat baby for a month, so I'm gonna have to do that class. I think the class like 4 hours, so that ain't shit, you know. Cold start. I know what y'all thinking. Damn, Tino, your license suspended. No, not necessarily. I'm on my way up there to go pay the ticket right now and to find out some more information on it. I hope not. I hope they not suspended, but if possibly they could tell me exactly what I have to do, that would be great. Hey, look at this. Look at this shit, bro. Look at this, bro. Do you see this? You see how I say my stuff tweaking, right? Look at my wheel shaking, bro. But I just got a new sensor in my left tire, and it say my right tire low on air. But I just put air in that motherfucker yesterday. I was trying to see if it was going out air in this motherfucker or not. Can I have a 4 for $4 spicy chicken nuggets? I had to stop and get me some food because I haven't ate all day. So. Alright, gang, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I don't know what I'm doing, man. I'm really not sure if I could bring cameras in, and it's a big old parking lot, and I did not want to walk back up here. So yeah, I hope I can pay this ticket up here. I got all my paperwork right here. No, my license is not suspended. Like I said, everything cool, paid everything off. Now shit, I just can't get in trouble for the next 6 months, which shit we don't plan on, you feel me? So we ain't got nothing to worry about, you know? So let's go hit the streets, man. Yeah, it's a Rolls Royce behind me back there. Nice as hell. I slid straight past him, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him before I get off the highway. And oh yeah, you can see that's the Rolls Royce right there. That motherfucker slick as hell. Two-tone. Think it's silver and black. Slick as hell. Y'all seen him peeping the cat, you feel me? You know niggas gon' peep the cat, baby, cause you big cat, baby, through this bitch, you feel me? Zoom and shit, you feel me? What? Gang. Alright, gang, as you can see, man, you know, we done left the motherfucking the courtroom and all that stuff. I done came up to Don's because, as y'all seen earlier, if y'all been paying attention, this tire right here, I think I need a sensor, and I just got a sensor in this tire, shit, yesterday, so... yeah, so hopefully we can get this done quick.
You want to do the scoop tonight?
This is the scoop the loop tonight?
This tonight, bro.
I ain't even know. I might put shit, you know.
New video?
Yep, you know.
I'll probably go on YouTube.
For real? Oh, that's lit as hell, for sure.
Yeah. Ready?
My man say he can spit some shit. Go ahead.
Soy 18 with the bullet. Let you motherfuckers know what I'm doing to get rid of all you CC ass vatos. And let them know you don't fuck with the los mexicanos. 1, 2, 3, ¿sabes qué, pendejo? Yo te pongo tu cabeza al revés. Snoopy, 13.
Machete! Machete! Hey, yo, what the fuck? gonna stop recording. Okay, Chrissy Mac. Nigga, that's one hand, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Nigga, fuck you talking about, nigga? Hold up. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel because it helps a lot and I would love it. That's it. Drano in that fucking lawnmower behind us. This is the Scoop the Loop. We got all types of old cars. I don't know if y'all got. I don't know if y'all got Scoop the Loop where y'all like shit. Out here,
probably call it something else.
Y'all probably call it something else. Basically, that's a big ass car meet though. Like on some real shit. Damn!
Fresh since 82.
You heard me? That shit, let me see the inside, gang. That shit got popcorn on it, bro. With the popcorn charm and shit. Them shit's hard. We out here, man. Subscribe to my boy channel.
Boy, SRT Milan right here.
How you spell that?
SRT MILLAN.
Okay, for sure. So, how many videos you got up?
Right now, I got like just 3 videos, but I have like 150 subscribers, so start off, you know.
Yeah, my boy, you already know. I drove his car already. You feel me? You see Cat Baby looking there, looking vicious and shit. But I drove his car already long time ago when he had the wrap on and everything right here. But I want to show y'all this old school right here. This bitch slick as hell. Eventually, we gonna walk around and see all the cars. But this bit, you see this motherfucker? Why is you not vlogging right now, bro? You want some more? You want some more subscribers? Pull out that camera. Hey, this even got a hood scoop on it though. This a old school right here. 48 Moon. 48 Moon. 48 McQueen. Or some shit like that. I don't know. Hey gang, it's a lot of hot shit out here. A lot of hot shit.
Right here, man. Doc
Hudson on bro. Got the fur on the side of that bitch. Okay. I think I want to give me one of these old school. Damn, he be jumping that bitch. You can tell.
It's like a groove low key. It's probably like a little groove.
Hey, I want to look at that, bro, before we pass it up.
Wow.
Damn. Okay. Got the Monte Carlo, Bentley.
Damn, they be on the floor.
Shorty got the Bentley out here.
No, look, whatever's leaning.
This bitch definitely. This bitch got hydraulic.
Yeah, this
Leaning.
yeah, that's hard right there. He hopped out that bitch leaning. Hey, bro, that's what I'm saying. They just slid through, but I ain't see this van right here. That's what I'm saying. This the mystery machine right here. Oh, I like that. Terra Sky. With the floating cap. Okay. With the floating cap. Okay.
Scandalous bitches make for happy feelings. I'm making my duty to cuss them.
That was hard right there. I like that.
I want some shit like that. Floating cap.
I like this right here. This nice. Badass turbo.
Big turbo gas.
Hood off this bitch.
Yeah, that's how far.
Hood exhaust. I'm guessing that's
That bitch against your
That's like.
Hellcat.
Do it. Bro, freer.
low key. But he got the stripes on this bitch. I didn't even know he had stripes on this. See that one? It's an SS?
Right there. What is your load on?
I like it.
Yeah, this bitch got the stinger right here. Hey, up to that. Is this the same car? Is this the same car? What's better?
Hey, we're waiting for you. Hey, we ready? Get it. Get it. He told me we ready. Get it. Good oil. Let's go.
just what it say. I'm no hero, I come. Gang, if you fuck with me, you already know what time it is. But don't be sad because I will be back in a few days with a whole nother banger. But if you watch it to the end of this video, gang, I fuck with you the long way, man. You already know to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your favorite part of the video or some more things you want to see me do with Cat Baby. But other than that, I'm not going to take up too much of y'all time. I'm your host, Tino, and